Hold on to your butts.
I have a new lighter. It's called the Atomic Lighter. I saw it at Walmart when I was there today, and I thought, yeah, that looks pretty interesting. It was a little pricey. It was 20 bucks. The lighter, it's well packaged and all. No fuel, no flame, no flint. It won't blow out. You charge it. It's rechargeable. This is the lighter right here. The way it works is you, just like a regular lighter, oop, nowhere to go there. But the way it works is you turn it on in the bottom, and then it's got a USB thing. You can see it right here. Hopefully you can see it. It connects to a USB, you charge it. There's a little tiny blue light that flashes when it's charging, and then when it's charged, the light is solid blue. Here's an on-off switch, so you don't mistakenly turn it on by mistake. So right now it's on, it's armed, and here's your little button right here to try it. So here's what it looks like. Can you hear that? It's like ultrasonic. Now, I haven't even tried to light anything with it, so let's give it a shot. And I've got this toilet paper right here. It's on. It kind of sizzles it. That's interesting. So now the interesting part is, let's see what it does for a stick. It's working hard, but it's a little too big for the small little arc that's there. It's burning off the rest that's on there. But it's pretty fascinating. It caught my eye because it was rechargeable, but after seeing how it works, oh, one other thing. I haven't tried touching it. It could be used possibly as a taser. It'll give somebody an electric shock as well. My thoughts on this is to take your 20 bucks and buy $20 worth of lighters, like little Bic lighters, and keep them in good shape in their original packaging. It's a great barter item. If things really come down, fire is essential. And being able to start it is very important. Start it easily. And if you have a bunch of lighters, people that don't have it will do anything for fire. So it's just my thought, my take on it. This is it's kind of a cool gadget, but I don't think I would spend the money on that. Save your money and buy the lighters. Now you got a great barter item. 20 or 40 Bic lighters instead of this. Just my thoughts. Thanks for watching.
Loaded up and trucking. Are we gonna do what they say can be done? We've got a long way to go and a short